This video/stream is sponsored by Trader Central. Trader Central provides funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusive for communicating with trader friends. Sign up now using the link in the description and get up to 30% off on your first plan.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? Hope you guys had a great week this past week, as the market gave us plenty of opportunities to capitalize on. In this video, I want to talk about my analysis for GBPJPY, and as usual, I'm starting up with the weekly time frame and then work my way down to the 4-hour time frame. On the weekly time frame, we can see that price has formed this doji candle here. Price went up, broke this resistance level here, which has been tested several times strongly, and then got all the way to the next resistance level around the 164 area, and then rejected swiftly off that area as well this past week. And that's what we've seen on the weekly time frame, given this doji candle over here. If we go to the daily time frame, we can see that price rejected off, got to this area here, which seemed to prove to be a sort of support area because price bounced off it about 3 or 4 times, as you will see on a smaller time frame. And then price now moving towards the upside, and this looks like price is about to form what we'll describe as a morning star, which is more or less a bullish signal. So this possibility that price could continue break this area here and continue all the way back to the resistance level up here. So on the weekly time frame, that's what we're seeing as well. On the other hand, there could be price could reject of this area as well. As you can see, the wicks forming just around there. It means there are some sellers there as well who could maybe push price all the way back down, even breaking this support level all the way back to this resistance, this support area down here, which for me is what I'm expecting because of how strong the break of this area was. I'm expecting price to come back to test it eventually, and then when price gets here, to give us some sort of bullish signal to take all the way to the top. So in the long term, this is what I'm expecting actually, for price to get down to this support area around the 158 area, and then reject off that back to the 164 area. But if we go to the 4-hour time frame where I normally take my entry, you can see on the 4-hour time frame what's been happening. Price seems to want to form what's called a head and shoulder pattern, and as you can see from here, price coming up to form this resistance, this left shoulder all the way back down into this support area, forms the head there, back down to the support area again, and then back to form the right shoulder, and possibly a rejection from here will mean price getting back down to support area. And if price breaks the neck of the support area, could mean price continue all the way down here, and like I said, on the daily time frame, before giving us the opportunity to possibly buy from here all the way to the top. So this is what I'm looking at on the 4-hour time frame. So because of this rejection, see what price is doing here. If we go even to the hourly time frame, we can see that price has more or less formed a double top pattern on that area as well. Rejected, came up to resistance, rejected off, came up again to test, and that double top pattern. I'm expecting price to continue all the way back down to this area. And so if you're a day trader, you should be looking to trade this as well. And if price breaks this resistance level or this support level, then we should be looking to take price all the way to the downside, as well as we saw on the 4-hour time frame. And so this is what I'm looking at. Even if we go even a bit lower to the 15 minutes time frame as a day trader, we can see that there is some sort of resistance area here as well. That price has been testing several times. You can see all the rejections here, and price seems to be rejecting of that area as well. So that for me is an indication that price could just continue all the way to the downside. And as you can see here, price got to this area from this nice bullish candle. So I'm expecting price to to continue. So if not enter the trade, is an opportunity for you to sell the market here. Put your stop loss just above that area there, around 66 pips, and then your final take profit should be down here, which is around 250 pips to 300 pips around there. So, and you would have the opportunity to enter more positions if price breaks this support level over here. We'll look for a retest, enter more positions around here if price gives us a bearish signal, and then take it all the way to the downside as well. So this trade can potentially give us about 300 pips, and I think you should be able to capitalize on it, as well as I will also be capitalizing on that move. So this basically has been my analysis for GBPJPY. I can see a head and shoulder pattern forming, and I am expecting price to sell from this point, from this right head here, and all the way breaking the neck even down to this weekly resistance support area, where we'll be looking to take our buy opportunities. So this general has been analysis. I hope you found this video very helpful. If you have, kindly leave a like, and if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to the channel. And I'll leave a link to my Telegram group in the description below. Also, I'll leave a link to the Trading Central, which is like a prop firm that funds traders as well. So you can go check that out, and I hope you like it as well. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright.